My name's Pete Dennis. I work in the paint shop where I'm a section manager. The vehicle is lifted out from weld. That's what we call a white body, which is basically a metal body shell. It then travels through to our anti-corrosion process. It's a series of dip tanks which first of all cleans the vehicle off. It then goes through a phosphate tank which is prepping the metal ready for the final process. And the final process is electrodeposition, which is ED coat, and that is the main anti-corrosion coating that we put on the vehicle. It then travels through an oven which bakes it at over 200 degrees. It then goes into the sealer area to make the vehicle watertight. So we are sealing all the seams of the panels. We apply up to 73 metres of sealer to those vehicles. Approximately 12 to 13 metres manually finished. Sometimes you can hardly tell that it's got sealer there. Not all our competitors do that. We do, but we also then add that little bit of finish. From there it goes to primer, so this is now the starting of the painting process. It goes through an oven, baked again. From there it then goes to top coat, where we've got the base coat robots which applies a colour, through the clear coat where it applies the gloss, and then finally it goes through to our final inspection. From the lift out to weld to the lift to assembly, you're probably 14-15 hours. The colour, of course, that's a big thing for the customer, but what the customer probably doesn't realise is how much then goes in to make sure that we've got the protection there for the vehicle itself.